It was great. It was just so good to be back in the theatre.
Arbennig, doniol, cariadus, direidus.
Absolutely wonderful. The orchestra, the humour, it was so entertaining.
I thought the singing was fantastic.
I just like the comedy, like the little sort of comedic interjections I thought were really well done.
I quite like the duets.
I just enjoyed it all. That world out there was shut away and you were in another world.
Figaro, 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 Figaro.
I haven't got the voice to do that.
Figaro.